Hey everyone, this is Dan Ballard, out here shooting in Colorado. Have a beautiful morning this morning, got great sky. I'm really hoping for some good light here. Morning everyone. It is 4:30 a.m. here in Colorado. Getting ready to go take some landscape pictures. All right guys, we are driving out to the location right now, headed to a really cool waterfall. This is an area I've been to quite a few times, but never actually gotten the light that I've wanted. So fingers crossed, this morning is the morning. So yeah, we're headed up this super challenging, tight, kind of dirt road in the truck. And with any luck, we'll get some good light. So we made it out to our location, and yeah, pretty excited. As you can see behind me, maybe. There we go. Yeah, you can see we've got some clouds in the sky. That's our waterfall back there. So yeah, with any luck at all, the sky's gonna light up and maybe we'll get something. So yeah, fingers crossed. This is where I'm always really excited, but you never know if you're actually gonna get anything until it actually changes. So yeah, let's see what happens. Set up here with the tripod. Just a little nervous here that we're not gonna get anything. The sky's kind of clearing a little bit. This is where you never know, like the sky's kind of moving kind of past the peaks, and either we're gonna get lucky here and really get something epic, or we're not gonna get any light at all because the clouds are basically too thick. Or what might happen here is the clouds are actually gonna be gone. So we're literally not gonna get anything because there's not enough clouds. So this could just kind of go wrong in so many ways. So many things have to go right for this to work out, like always with landscape photography. So we'll see soon enough. Yeah, really thinking this is probably not gonna happen at this point. It's gonna be so close. All right, well, I think skunked again at this spot. So close, so just a little bit of color. We'll see what the final shot looks like. It might be okay, but yeah, I definitely didn't get like the epic sky that I was hoping for. Almost, like I think we might still actually get some color here in a few minutes, kind of like that second time through. But I think the clouds are gonna be mostly gone by then, so there's still a slight chance, but yeah, I think as far as like getting something epic, yeah, I think that ship has kind of sailed a little bit. So gotta shoot a little bit longer and see what happens. Okay, all right, things are happening now. Got some color starting in the sky. Trying to juggle a lot of things here, flying the drone, taking some truck shots with the other camera. And yeah, just gotta run back and grab a few here. Get a few drone shots. The clouds are kind of in the wrong position, so this isn't exactly what I was hoping for, but it's pretty dang cool. I think definitely it's at least a shot. We'll see how good it actually turns out to be. Okay, that's actually looking pretty awesome now. Definitely getting some color. And yeah, clouds are kind of back, so I'm actually gonna be, I think, pretty excited about these. And yeah, for these drone shots, this is gonna be, probably like at least a 15 shot image. I'm wanting a vertical shot here. So I'm basically doing this kind of vertical pano where I'm starting at the bottom and then kind of, moving up through the shot. And every single shot I'm bracketing. So I'm taking 5 shots and then moving up and taking 5 shots and moving up, taking 5 shots. And I'm changing the exposure as well. So I'm basically doing everything here. Dang, these are looking really cool. All right, I'm really liking that. That's actually some really, really nice light. So yeah, I'm excited. I think with both the drone and the camera, these are looking super good. Man, that's beautiful. Dang. I'm really, really lucky that having those clouds like literally right above the peaks, like right where I want them. Like almost every time I've come to this location, it's always the opposite. Like I was out here not too long ago and had really cool clouds and sky, but in the wrong direction. Like it was right behind us. It was like everywhere except where I wanted it to be. So to have this where it's like exactly right is really exciting and really cool. So yeah, I'm just loving these. I think there's actually a full-on keeper here for sure. I'm just trying to get a bunch of different shots. Again, getting shots with the camera, getting some shots with the drone. And I think I'm gonna like the drone shots the best, so I'm kind of prioritizing these. All right, guys, well, that was successful for sure. That was exciting. I really didn't think anything was gonna happen there. It looked like it was just the clouds were moving away, and I just really thought that like just absolutely weren't gonna get anything. And some more clouds came in, they kind of came back. And yeah, I mean, again, we'll see what the shots look like, but I really think I got something pretty cool there. Probably from the drone, you know, doing all those mixed shots. And the sky just looks super neat, and the waterfall. So yeah, with any luck, actually kind of got a full-on keeper there. And again, I've been trying for this location for a long time. This is attempt, I don't know, maybe 20 or 25 probably over the course of several years. So yeah, I'm stoked. Hopefully it turns out as good as I think it will. And yeah, thanks a lot for following along. Hope you guys will consider subscribing and give me a like. That'd be awesome. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks.